Know how to change password in busy online. Sometimes there are situations that require changing your password in busy online. For example, if a colleague leaves the job, at that time it's important to change the busy online password for safety and security reasons. Otherwise, they could log in from anywhere. We will watch this video to learn how to change the password in busy online. First, we will open busy online and provide the required credentials. We are discussing changing this password and we will see how it's done. After a successful login, click on the busy online icon at the top left. Then choose the tools option. In this menu, you will find an option called change password. Click on it and in the next window, enter your old password and specify the new password. Click OK. And just like that, your busy online password will be successfully changed. Afterward, log in again with the new password. This way, you can change the password for busy online, making your busy online more secure. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.